Greetings, I'm Julian Williams, Vice President for Access, Civil Rights, and Community Engagement here at the University of South Carolina.
And my name is Michelle Bryan. I'm the Associate Vice President for Access and Opportunity.
Today we're going to share a little bit about who we are as an office and as a division, and also share some of the resources that you all can engage with while you're starting your journey here at USC. The Division of Access, Civil Rights, and Community Engagement encompasses three offices: the Office of Access and Opportunity, the Office of Title IX and Civil Rights, as well as the Office of Community Engagement. As you start your journey at USC, there are many different resources between those three offices and others that you all can engage with to help us to create an inclusive and equitable learning environment throughout the university. The first resource I would encourage you to take advantage of is our Inclusive Excellence Grant Fund. It is a fund that runs year-round that provides up to $1,000 to academic units, to individual faculty members, as well as to departments for creative programs, events, and multicultural initiatives that foster collaboration and encourage inclusive excellence across all dimensions.
One of the most effective ways that our office can support you is through participation in the Inclusive Excellence Institute. The IE Institute is our signature professional development offering, and applications will be available on our website in mid-August. Participants commit to spending a couple of Friday mornings with us throughout the academic year to build their knowledge, skills, and attitudes necessary to make meaningful contributions towards building an inclusive community here for everyone at USC. Throughout the sessions, participants will collaborate with one another and create interpersonal connections as they learn about themselves, about USC, and about the larger world around them, while acquiring skills and strategies that can be used to address systemic challenges within our campus community and their own communities. Another resource that we're excited about is our sponsoring of the university's membership in the National Center for Faculty Development and Diversity. This national organization hosts a website with an incredible amount of information and guidance relevant to graduate students and faculty in all fields and at all stages of their careers. The program and services they provide are solely focused on ensuring faculty success. The resources include an entire library of recorded presentations on a number of wide-ranging topics that run from dissertation preparation to preparing oneself for retirement from an academic career. One of their most frequently used resources is their core curriculum, which covers topics relevant to any academic. The nice thing is that each semester they host live sessions on the topics in order to provide participants with an opportunity to engage with the presenters and the attendees. However, if you find yourself short on time, there are recorded videos of each session as well. They also offer their well-known Faculty Success Program, a 10-week online coaching program where participants get assigned both a peer group and a designated coach, all designed to advance your career and improve work-life balance. While most of NCFDD's resources are free, there is a fee associated with the Faculty Success Program. However, as an alumnus of the program, I can tell you it's worth every penny. They even have a template letter that you can use to send to your department chair seeking support to participate if you're interested. If you'd like to check on all that NCFDD has to offer, just head to their website, ncfdd.org, click on Becoming a Member, and fill out the form. The next day, they'll send you a login. It's that easy. We also wanted to tell you about some of the key human resources who are here to support you on your journey. USC is one of the few R1 institutions in the country to have a distributed leadership model when it comes to the stewardship of inclusive excellence. While leadership stems from our office, we have the pleasure of leading alongside a wonderful group of individuals who represent the university's Council of Academic Diversity Officers. Indeed, there is an ADO in every academic unit on campus, as well as in our Honors College, Palmetto College, university libraries, and athletics. These individuals are responsible for working closely with their deans and other college leaders to steward their unit's inclusive excellence plans, which are aligned with the university's strategic plan. The members of this standing council are critical to the university's ability to ensure that every Gamecock feels welcomed, valued, and supported. Because we value them so highly, we wanted to take a couple of seconds to share their names and associated colleges with you. Know that they are particularly keen on getting to know new graduate students and new faculty members and figuring out how they can best support you.
So in conclusion, we are so excited to welcome you to USC. We look forward to meeting all of you, and we would encourage you for more information about the Office of Access and Opportunity to visit our website at www.sc.edu/access, or you can just contact myself or Michelle via email and our email addresses are below. Welcome to the university, and we look forward to a great semester.
Take care.